Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Yes, don't adjust your screens. That is the LG V60 ThinQ 5G. Say that really fast 5 times. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box and then also give you my impressions. I have been using the phone for a little bit, so I have some things I want to discuss. But before I do all that, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. Also go over my thoughts about the phone. I actually been using it. I kind of repackaged it just for the video. I was too excited, so I kind of started using it before I even did the unboxing video. I got it from T-Mobile. Right now they have the dual screen and the V60 together for $8.99. And then you can also pick up just the V60 if you just want the phone for $7.99. I picked it up and I think they call it Classic or Classy Blue. Now, that's the only one you can get from T-Mobile. That's the only color you can get with the dual screen. You can also pick it up in the white if you just want the V60 by itself. But to me, I don't know, there's no point of having the V60 without the dual screen. No, people, this is nowhere near the Exxon M. I know some of my subscribers, some people on Twitter will make fun of me because I actually picked up this phone. This thing is nowhere near the Exxon M. I'm sorry. If you disagree, let me know in the comments. But let's get into it. Yes, I kind of opened the packaging already. Not a big deal. I'm going to show you the dual screen first. Look at that. And I'm going to go over some things that I noticed and some things definitely that are a problem. But in here, you have your little clip that goes here. And then you get a start menu and a couple other things. So I'm going to remove that. First thing I want to tell you about the case. This case, the fingerprints come on here. Then you also get fingerprints on the front. Look, there's fingerprints there. The back, it also attracts fingerprints too, as you can tell. But I love the ridge on here. It gives you the extra grip. Then on this side, you have the Vine rockers and the Google. And then on this side, it's all clear. It's wide open. But let's see what you get in the box too. For the V. Oh, you get a cloth. You definitely going to need this. Here's the phone itself. Yes, it is on already. But look at that gold. I love the gold. And then look at the blue. Yes, do you get fingerprints? Yes, you do. I know everybody hates the word fingerprint magnet. You do have the headphone jack with the amazing DAC from LG, which LG is always known about. The USB Type-C charging. Speaker down here. Also a speaker in the earpiece. And yes, you do have a notch, which you can't see right there. At the top, you have another microphone. And then also the SIM card slot. At the bottom, another microphone there too. On this side, you have your power button. It does have a curved back on there. Look at the glass is curved, which makes it easy to hold. The front display is flat. Look at that. So let me put that on the side. You get the 2-year promise. You also get some books and the SIM card slot remover or pin, whatever you want to call it. The LG charging brick. I wish this was in black. And it's white. If it was in black, it really would be nice. But let's go over the specs of the phone too. Look at the box. T-Mobile. Alright, so on the phone itself, you have a 6.8 inch, yes, a 1080p POLED display. They didn't do it 2K. It doesn't have 120 hertz refresh rate. They probably did all that for just saving battery. Because on the case itself, you do have the same 6.8 inch display as 1080p. So both displays are 1080p and both displays have the notch. It comes with the Snapdragon 865 processor on it. The in-display fingerprint scanner, Android 10.0 straight out the box. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. It has a 10 megapixel camera in the front. The back, you have a regular lens, and then you have the ultra wide angle that LG is known for. They did remove the telephoto lens. I don't know, which one do you want? The telephoto or the wide angle? It does have the depth sensor lens for portraits, but I guess they could have used the telephoto lens. People do like that telephoto lens. One thing I want to talk about the phone, the fingerprint scanner, is a little bit different. It does take a little bit time to get used to. You do have the LG skin on there, which I'm going to change in a little bit. But it's not, overall it's not bad. I love the feel of the phone. It's not too heavy. With the case on there, it gets a little bit heavy, a little bit awkward to hold sometimes, but the case is where it's at. I'm not going to lie. But look at that. The screen looks really good. I'm not going to lie. I don't see any problems with the screen at all. Let me move my Nest over here. But I'm going to definitely change up the look of the phone. This phone comes with 128 gigs of storage, which is pretty great. I mean, it's standard. 8 gigs of RAM. So it has a lot of things going for it. Now, LG doesn't market it very well, but it is what it is. And I've been using it, and I'm enjoying the speakers get really loud. I'm going to do more camera tests on it, but the camera's been pretty good too. Look at that. Now, here's where everything changes. You just slide this bad boy in here from the top. And watch this. You hit this little button. You turn. Oh, look at that. I can watch YouTube. I can watch a YouTube video. At the same time, I can be on Twitter. I don't have Twitter, but let me do. I can go into Google. So you can be looking at Google or HEB, the grocery store here updates the seniors for, the virus that's going around, Fortnite. And then I can watch my favorite YouTuber up here if I wanted to. Man, that is nice. What y'all think about that? No, it's not the X-on-M. And I'm going to come back and show y'all more of the dual screen. Yes, you can switch apps around. If you wanted to, you can just go here, swap the screens. What y'all think? Man, this is going to be fun. I've been using it a couple hours now. I'm going back and forth. I showed my kids. My daughter thought it was cool. My sons didn't think nothing of it. But on the case, like I said, the volume rockers are there. And then here, the power button is wide open. No fingerprint scanner on the back. One thing I noticed too is it does not have face recognition. Yes, y'all heard that right. So that camera is just a basic camera. It doesn't have face recognition on here. You cannot unlock your screen with face unlock. I don't know if you can add that. I guess maybe. I don't know. Why do you think LG did that? LG needs more marketing too. But definitely, I'm enjoying the phone so far. Y'all let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see on this phone. I'm definitely going to do a gaming review. Also, a speaker test because the speaker sounds really pretty good too. And I'm going to test out the headphone jack too. But we know the DAC on the LG is great. Another thing too, look at that. You have the little screen. They could have did a little bit more. Maybe made the screen bigger. Yes, again, the fingerprints. But now, I do see some... Like, it flickers right there. Like, look. But that is not happening on the case itself. That is just the video. So I don't know what that is about. I do like that little always on display, but I wish it was, I don't know. They could have made it a little bit bigger. Maybe it would have drained the battery more, but look at that. Don't that look so cool? I think it looks cool. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. The other thing I want to talk about is how big the phone is with the case on it. If you have small hands, it's going to be hard for you to operate it. You will get used to it, I guess, but it's definitely something to get used to. But I like it so far. Again, stay tuned to the channel. I'll probably come back with like a 24-hour or 48-hour type of first impressions or impressions of the phone. Once I start using it more, I'm going to do a comparison. I'm going to do the gaming review, speaker test. And then, like I said earlier, y'all let me know what y'all want to see. Other type of videos y'all want to see from this. I'm going to dig into the dual screen more, see how you can use it, and how the apps actually work with the screen. Yes, it does have a hinge in the middle. Yes, when you're watching YouTube, it will have that problem. But man, this is nice. Also, look at the camera hump. It does give you that protection on the back too. Now, one thing too is this cutout here. So you need this little magnet piece here if you want the case on there. I don't know, that's kind of whack too, but y'all let me know what y'all think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the LG V60 ThinQ. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.